Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this video we're going to be learning how you can create consistent AI characters with Leonardo.AI. Now, to get started, Leonardo.AI is a great mid-journey alternative as it offers a free set of images that you can create with your account. However, after generating a lot of images with Leonardo, you would notice that the characters that you're creating are not very consistent. So we're going to be learning how you can fix that by using a little trick. So if we, for example, try to generate a bunch of images using one prompt, so if we for example use this prompt to generate 4 different images saying a beautiful woman smiling near a river, then this is the type of pictures that we get. And as you can see, the faces are not very consistent. Like this face, for example, does not even look close to the one after. And this doesn't give us consistent characters when designing a story, for example, or something similar. So the kind of trick that we're using is that we're using a very unique or rare name from this generator behind the name. So go ahead to behindthename.com, and from here we're going to generate a very unique name that we're going to be using in our prompt to give us very unique results as well. So when you're on this homepage, you want to scroll down until you see the random name and then click on it. And from here, you want to mix 2 or more different kinds of name origins, and it will create a very unique name for you. So for example, if you use Norse and Arabic and then click on feminine and generate, it will give you this extremely rare name. And then you can copy this name and use it in your prompt on Leonardo. Then as you can see, after modifying our prompt and trying for a couple more times, we will start getting more consistent characters. So this is not the same exact face, but as you can see, it's a lot more similar than the first original prompt. And you can play with this more and design more names. For example, you can choose to have more names generated and have different kind of mixes. So the more you're trying to mix your name, the more unique it will be, and then the more accurate the result will be. So you can choose to have 5 different generations right here and then generate a name yet again. And if we use any of these names, then we will be getting way more consistent results with the character design. So that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.